What's going on, folks? I'm about to show you how you be changing out your vanity lights and stuff inside of your vanity mirror, as well as how you would change out this whole mirror just in case say it got broken or something. But to change out your vanity light bulbs, which is behind here, if you look down here, it's like a little slot, and this is happened to be on a Chevy Impala, but it's probably the same for multiple different vehicles pretty much. If you look at the slot right here, you would take you like a small flathead screwdriver, stick it in that slot. You don't want to stick it in there like bend down like that. You want to stick in that slot and then just kind of twist like that. So when I twisted it, it popped out like that. Because what I was doing was removing this little piece right here that kind of sits up underneath this little ridge. So once you do that, you'll have your light bulb right here. And of course, if your light bulb was blown, you would just go ahead and get you another light bulb that you can normally get from, you know, O'Reilly's, Home Depot, or O'Reilly's, AutoZone, anywhere like that that sells bulbs, car parts, anything like that. And if you can see, all you will have to do is take your bulb, stick it right back inside of here, and these two little grooves right here, just stick it in just like that, and you'll have it back in. Okay, now, so once you got your light bulb back in, now you would just take your little piece, kind of want to stick it up at the top first, and take the bottom. You would take your screwdriver, kind of the same thing, put that little gap, kind of bend it so it kind of curls up a little bit, then kind of pop it right back in like that, and you'll be done changing out your light bulb. Now, say for example, this whole piece right here you want to change out. Like say your mirror was broke or something like that. Now what you can do is, you can come right down here to this edge. You see the edge right here, and kind of twist your flathead inside of here, and this whole piece like this will come out. And once that comes out, the kind of sides of it, you could pull those sides out like that, and you'll have this whole mirror piece out now, so you could change it out just in case his mirror was broken, or if the flap or something was messed up, you would just basically do it like that. So when you're putting it back in, you can see right here, this little metal piece right here touches right here. That's what makes your light come on. See how it's touching, it's coming on? So all you want to do is take this, and this little gap you will see, and this little piece right here, this goes underneath this right here. Just kind of want to take your thing, kind of make sure this is pulled down somewhat, and then kind of just pop it back in like that. Then you want to test it. So the light's on now. So now I can close it, lights goes off, lights coming on, so now I know I have it back in correctly. Now, just take the bottom, push it back in like that, and pretty much it's back in. Alright folks, once again, this is how you would change out your vanity lights, as well as you would change out this whole mirror right here, just in case you had a problem with it. This happens to be a Chevy Impala vehicle, but it's probably the same for multiple different models and years of vehicles. Alright folks, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks.